Hello everyone. As a girl growing up on a Karoo farm, the highlight of the summer holidays was always fresh fish caught by friends and family and cooked almost immediately as it landed. Now when I want good fish to cook, I head off to Kalk Bay at the time when the boats come in. I love listening to the gulls as they fly around and also to the fishermen. I love watching them offload the fish, sort it and put it out for sale. Chatting to the fishermen, and especially the fisherwomen who gut and scale the fish right there, is always interesting and mostly entertaining. How come you started doing this work?
My mother used to work.
Oh, your mother used to do it as well?
My daddy was a fisherman.
Okay. Your daddy was a fisherman?
Yeah, and my mother.
Okay.
We learned from her. It's not nice for pan fried, like curry. This is curry.
A curry fish, yeah?
Yeah. Only 11 people curry, but we're going to put some Robin spice.
There are quite a few restaurants right there in the harbour that I like to frequent because their fish is really good. But I must say there's nothing better than taking my fish home immediately and cooking it for my friends and family. Kalk Bay is really a special place. It's not only for tourists, but many locals go down there to buy fish, to fish themselves, and also to browse through the shops. It's really a quaint place, and I think it's one of the gems we have to offer our visitors. Thanks very much.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Bye.